On 7th of November, correspondents and journalists from across Lahorijan and Khatkhati region came together at Lahorijan PWD-IB and established Khatkhati Press Club. The meeting was chaired by Anand Terang, Vice President of Lahorijan Press Club, and the objective of the meeting were briefed by Mainul Hussain. It was informed that the establishment of Khatkhati Press Club was a unanimous decision made from the correspondent and journalists of Lahorijan and Khatkhati region. On this auspicious occasion, Bisnu Giri, social activist, and Vaisong Terang, President of AJYCP, Lahorijan Regional Committee, attended as the guests of the meeting. It was also reported that to monitor and review the Khatkhati Press Club, in fact, checking, not intentionally distorting information, identifying sources, avoiding stereotypes, and supporting the open exchange of opinions, Anand Terang was nominated as the president, and Mainul Hussain was appointed as the General Secretary of Khatkhati Press Club for the next 3 years term.
আজি আমি বহুত সুখী হৈছো যে একতা হৈ আজি লাহোৰিজান PWD-IB আমি খটখটি প্ৰেছ ক্লাব গঠন কৰিলো। ইয়াত বৰ্তমান 13 জনীয়া কমিটি হৈছে, গতিকে দৰকাৰ পৰিলে বা আৰু মেম্বাৰশ্বিপ লোৱা হ'ব। গতিকে আমি বহুতে আনন্দিত পাইছো।
Anand Terang's report from Lahorijan for Karbi Live.